and found some reviews on the Peak Rotary Vise. So I snagged it, and we will see how this thing works. Should be pretty cool. And that, what I'm hoping, will give me the start of tying more flies. I kind of enjoy tying different lures, like for kokanee. That's what I do a lot right now. But I grew up in the Midwest, so a lot of bass fishing and making various lures and whatnot. Thought I'd start there. Make that look a little better. It's going to be my primary stand for the vise. That, put it off to the side. Get into more. Here's the base. That's super good weight. Not sure why they made it white, but that's fine. This little bobbin holder out there. Simple enough. That is, looks like the primary pieces of this. I believe this will come out of here somehow. I need to bring this around like that. You can see, get it off to the side. That allows us to slide this in. Tighten it up a little. A few different things. There we go. That's pretty much done. That was a super fast setup. And it sits nice. That's much more firm. There you go. Fly tying vise. I'll go into it a little more as we go. But that's my day 0. So we'll get going from here and see what I can actually do. Alright, enjoy everybody.